Is it necessary to have two monitors for a YouTuber, and why would you need it? That's a great question, and it really depends on your workflow as a YouTuber. Having two monitors isn't necessary, but it can make your work much easier and more efficient. Here's why many YouTubers use a dual monitor setup. 1. Easier video editing. When editing in software like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut, you can use one screen for your timeline and tools, and the second screen for a full-screen video preview or media browser. This gives you more space to see details and speeds up your editing. 2. Better multitasking. With two screens, you can edit on one monitor while keeping notes, scripts, or browser tabs open on the other. Or monitor audio levels, YouTube analytics, or music selection without switching windows constantly. 3. Live streaming advantages. If you do live streams, a second monitor is super helpful because one screen can show your streaming software, OBS, Streamlabs, while the other shows chat, comments, and viewer stats in real time. 4. Thumbnail and graphic design. When making thumbnails or graphics, one screen can show your design program, like Canva or Photoshop, while the other shows reference images or YouTube channel previews to keep consistency. Bottom line. Not required, but very useful if you're serious about editing, multitasking, or streaming. If you're just starting out or working mainly from a laptop, you can start with one screen, and upgrade later when you feel limited.